The auxiliary contacts are used to remotely signal the open or closed state of the circuit breaker power contacts. 4 AX auxiliary contacts are supplied as standard with the circuit breaker. Before operating, discharge the mainsprings and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To remove the ACB front cover, unscrew the 4 screws all around the cover. After that, you can pull on the handle to ease the removal of the cover. The auxiliary switches AX are installed over the spring charging motor location. If needed, you can remove a broken auxiliary switch. To do so, you can take off different covers and connection interfaces. Insert a new AX in the needed slot AX1, 2, 3 or 4 by sliding it in. At the click, the auxiliary is installed. Insert a terminal block type A in the base located on the top of the breaker. Put back the connector interface with quarter turn screws. Respect the electric diagram available in the technical documentation. To put back the front cover of the ACB, pull on the handle, place the cover and screw in the 4 screws.